In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update Facebook app. On an iPhone, be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, you need to head over to the App Store. After that, tap right here to go to search, and then the search box. Just enter if FA and hit right here at Facebook. Let's go, we can easily find Facebook. Then we need to tap right here to enter it. And if this button says update, just tap on it to get the latest Facebook app version. If the button says open, it means that you have already the latest app version installed on your device. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button